Where my brush at? Okay. Hey guys, it's me Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be putting on a wig, a lace front wig, and this is gonna be my first time installing a lace front wig. I've done a wig before. I probably put a picture like right here or right here or something, but I've put a wig on before, but it just wasn't like a lace front wig. It was more of a closure, and I didn't glue it down. So today we're gonna glue it down. And the wig I bought is from Outre. I ordered it off of samsbeauty. I'll probably put the link in the description, but it's the Perfect Hairline series. Yeah, from Outre. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Like, I got the style Evona. I saw so many like reviews on it, and I was like, I want this wig. So I kind of already opened it, so it doesn't look like how it would look, but this is it. Yay. As you can see, I am very excited. Let me put this up here. I was stuck. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna put this up here. So let me take this off. Oh my god, like I'm so excited because I've never really had like a lace front wig. This is her freshly out. I didn't take the net off. I just opened the box up just to see how she looks. Everything is all in. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the floor. So this is her. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. So hard. Like, okay, so this is the wig. This is what I see in the reviews. This is what they do. So the lace is like, it's gonna look ashy on me. I already know, like, it's gonna look real ashy, so I have to put like foundation on the thing, but it comes in an elastic band. Let me just, yay. It got a comb right here, and a comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps. And yeah, let's get into this video. I'm hyped. Oh, let me cut the card off. Where my scissors at? So let me just put the net back on so nothing happens to it while I'm doing my hair. I'll put this right here. So I'm doing a voiceover because I basically hated the way I sounded throughout the whole video, but I'm basically in this clip just pulling back my edges with Blueberry Bliss edge paste because my edges are so fuzzy, and I braided my hair like a long time ago, so I need to pull my edges back first before I can glue down the wig cap. And basically to glue down the wig cap, I just use Got to Be gel in the black tube, and then the Got to Be spray. Now you can see me struggling to put this elastic band around my head, but I'm just basically trying to keep it down so that I can go blow dry my hair. And I don't show me blow drying my hair or anything. In this clip I just go in my bathroom and then come back. But now I'm just coloring the cap with foundation, and I'm gonna color the wig with foundation because, like I said before, it was gonna look ashy on me, and I'm glad that I did this. So what am I doing? I'm putting the wig back on because I want to see if I can, like, if I did a good job at coloring it. So basically, yeah. The one thing I didn't like about this wig is that it shedded. So, like, I would brush it and hair would come out on the brush, and like I ran my fingers through it and hair came out. I don't know if that was because I was brushing or anything, but yeah, it sheds. Not a lot though, it's like a little bit though. but it still sheds. So now I'm gonna wipe my forehead off with alcohol just to get all the makeup off. And I was so surprised because I didn't think there was so much makeup on my forehead. And yeah, so now I'm gonna use the Got to Be spray and Got to Be gel mixture and put it on my forehead. At first I wanted to use my lace glue, but the Got to Be spray and Got to Be gel is surprisingly strong. Like, I was pulling on and tugging on my wig and it was still stuck. So yeah. Alright, so now I have edge wax. I said edge wax. It's wax. I have wax and I have my curling iron. And basically I'm going to try and mold my hair and basically customize it, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so right here I'm showing you guys the shedding. You probably can't see it, but there's shedding. I think it was shedding because I was using the brush, but as soon as I started using that white tooth comb, it was not shedding anymore. Look at that lace. It looks so melted at the top, but then on the side, just like, what is going on? So I'm just gonna take foundation and like color it in so that it blends in more. And yeah. If y'all want to know like any of the products that I'm using, I'm gonna put them on the screen, don't worry. Like everything will be on the screen, except for like that, like the curling iron, because I don't know where I got that from. I found it in the closet. So right now I'm just parting my hair. I wanted a middle part. I don't know why. I think middle parts just suit me more. I don't really like side parts like that, but just know, if I ever do my hair, I'm always gonna have a middle part. It's like really rare that you'll see me with a side part. So I was trying to get that hump down. It didn't go down in the video, but eventually it went down when I started taking pictures and stuff. But see, look at me messing up this wig already, and I just molded it. Oh my god, this is why I didn't have faith in myself. But now I'm just gonna do baby hairs. I kind of wanted to do them all around the wig, but I was like, no, that's too much. And it actually came out cute the way I had it. So imagine if I did baby hairs all around, like, it would look crazy. So to do my edges, I used the 24-hour edge tamer. I was not using no mousse to slick down these edges because like I've seen people do it on YouTube, and it's like it takes forever and I'm very impatient. So I was not doing that. I was gonna get the edge control. It was either that or She's Bomb that I was gonna use my edges. So basically I'm fixing my part, and I use mascara to like make it look smaller and more neat. So my ending part got cut off, but this is how the wig looks in pictures. I really like it. I just didn't like the shedding, but it was good. Thank you guys for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and comment down below any tips that can help me for a future wig.